Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe team, and today I want to share with you a very exciting feature that we just released. So right now you can build your own data pipeline and export any data from Amazon Seller Central or Advertisement Console. You just have to go to Export section, click Schedule Recurring Export, pick any data source you want, name it, leave the CSV file type, click Submit, and your recurring export function is actually being created. Now you can actually export this to Excel and have it always refreshed. This is how you can do it.
Set up Excel integration with your selected recurring export. You go to the Excel integration page and copy the Excel integration using the dedicated button. Then you go to your Excel document, you select data, then get data Power Query. From the menu that shows, you select blank query. Then you need to remove what was inserted here automatically by Excel and paste the formula you copied from DataDoe. Now you click Next and wait for the data preview to load. When you are using this first time, you might see a warning here. If you see a security warning here, you don't need to do anything about it at this point. You just click Close and Load. The data will now load to Excel. In case you've seen a warning before, you will see a confirmation screen now. It is important for you to approve the access to the DataDoe connector from this point, and you will see the data loaded as it is shown now. Excel will automatically refresh the data for you, though if you want to make sure that it is always fresh when you open this document, you go to Data, you go to Properties, and here you select Refresh Data when opening the file. This means that Excel will refresh the data automatically when you open the file, meaning that you will have fresh data anytime you want to work with it.
If you want to try it out, go to datadoe.com. We have a 7-day free trial.